Hi, welcome to Blade Motorcycles in Swindon. Thank you for looking at Aprilia 1100 factory. Now I'll just quickly show you around the bike. The Aprilia is the 2018 model. It comes on the 18 plate. It's our ex-demonstrator. Like you can see, the bike is in mint condition. It comes with a lot of features. One of them is ABS, traction control. You can change it on the fly. Different ride modes, pit limiter, cruise control, launch control. You can change the settings on the ABS. You can also connect your phone to your bike. But you can see the bike has done 459 miles. So it's a really low mileage. If you really like this bike, guys, and you'd like some more information about it, please give us a call on the Blade Motorcycles Swindon number, or just simply click the link in the advert below. Thank you.